Hey guys, ClayRepairs here. Today I'm going to be working on this SSR 125 pit bike. It has quite a few issues. This chain here, super loose. The exhaust pipe where it bolts to the engine here is kind of a bit loose. This engine is kind of loose in here. This little mounting bolt right here needs to be tightened up. You could also just use some general lubrication and maintenance and stuff like that. So let's get right into it. One thing I'm going to be doing is washing it up before I do a whole lot on it. There we go, all washed up and ready to work on. First we'll do the chain, and then the exhaust, and a couple other things I'm thinking of. I'm going to start by checking the valve clearances. We'll remove this cover along with this cover here to check for the timing, and the top intake and bottom exhaust covers for the valves. Okay guys, I just checked the valve clearances and they seem okay. So I'm going to move on to tightening up these motor mounts here and down there, because this motor's a little loose. Well guys, I found the problem to our loose engine. One of the two bolts that holds it in is completely snapped off here. So that's probably what could cause this engine to be a little loose and wobbly. I'll have to find a new bolt or something and fix this. But we can't do anything for that right now, so let's move on to the chain. The chain looks okay. It's a little rusty, but I'm not going to replace it right now. I'm just going to go and adjust it by loosening this back bolt and screwing each side out a little bit to move the whole back axle backward to tension this chain up.